This video will demonstrate how to edit your score settings in EVA. First, click on the gear icon at the top of the page to go to your settings. In the Settings menu, click Score. Here we can edit score weights and set score goals for photographers. Score weights can be set for each quality issue based on how important the issue is to you. Let's take a quick look at the dashboard to view the score using the default score settings. Now, if we change the score weights, save, and go back to the dashboard, we can see that the overall score has changed. You can also set a minimum score that you would like your photographers to achieve. All scores lower than this will appear red on your dashboard. You can set a score that you'd like your top performers to achieve. All scores higher than this will appear green on your dashboard. Problematic image goals can also be set for photographers. For each quality issue, enter the maximum percentage of problematic images you would like your photographers to achieve. All percentages higher than this will appear red on your dashboard. Please check out EVA's knowledge base for more information. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all our new products and features. Thanks for watching.